I'm not even kidding you, this thing was on fire. My first real estate investment was a townhouse with a rooftop deck on 2nd Avenue South. Here's the kicker, it was a great investment. I got it for a good price. I had it rented. The day I closed, somebody moved in, starts paying me rent. It's awesome. 6 months later, I get a phone call, a text, a Facebook message. I had just flown back from being overseas and I land and all of these are in my inbox and it was on fire. I'm not even kidding you, this thing was on fire. My tenant, who had like sat on the rooftop deck and like smoked cigarettes, she would put them in this little like plastic planter, like she would put them out in it. It caught the rooftop deck on fire. It was on the news. So I land, like I'm flying back from Amsterdam and all of this is happening and I swear to you, my first thought was, God, I'm so tired, I'll just deal with that tomorrow. I'm not even kidding. And I was like, no, my property's on fire. I gotta go over there. Here's what's going to be very comforting to someone if they're gonna think about becoming a landlord. Get good insurance. Had the condo rebuilt, was compensated for lost rent, put it on the market the day that it was finished from being rebuilt because emotionally I could not own that condo anymore. I wish I still did because it is exploded in value. But I really never lost a dime even though she set it on fire.